You have an idea to make things better, but the information needed to scale good decisions is spreading further apart and growing in volume, as well as the systems, processes, and people you need have multiple blockers that you can't see yet. How can you connect all of these points together to bring your idea to reality? Your idea will help to create growth or reduce costs. Yet as you move your idea forward, information, systems, and process gaps reveal themselves. So you guess at some things and compromise on others, even using manual steps to keep your idea moving forward. All successful strategies are based on insight, execution quality, and the ability to scale quickly. This is where Put It Forward comes in. Using no code above the automation, integration, and artificial intelligence in a single platform. Connect all the dots together. See clearly. Put It Forward creates a real-time organic view of your data, processes, and insights so you can have clarity of vision and adapt to a dynamic marketplace. Whether it is to accelerate revenue growth, reduce costs, or improve buyer experience, the intelligent automation platform is your tool, scalable and comprehensive, to handle all business needs. This means your idea can unlock value for everyone in your organization. Take the next step forward. Visit our website and schedule a personalized demo.